Hey everyone, Punisher88 here. So, like I said in my intro video, my next video would be my unboxing vid. So, without further ado, let's get to it. For the ones out there who are subscribed to Loot Crate, you'll notice, well, if you got your box already, which most of you should have, compared to July's Loot Crate, this month is a lot thicker, as you can see. So, I'm very excited to see what's in this month's Loot Crate. This month's theme is heroes, as opposed to last month's theme being villains. So, let's open her up and see what we got. I already cut the tape, so we go faster for opening it and whatever. So, alright, here we go. Oh, there's some cool stuff in here. So, first things first, appears to be a pair of Ninja Turtle sunglasses. They're purple, which means you can go around wearing these and pretend you're Donatello. Cool. Next, let's see. Oh, these are cool. You put these on your shoes, as you can see. You put them on your shoes. It makes them look like they have wings. That's pretty neat. I've never seen these before. Interesting. Let's see, what's this? Oh, cool. Well, for all you Mega Man fans out there, this month's Loot Crate comes with a Mega Man, you see that? Air freshener. Very neat. Huh. I haven't played Mega Man in so long. Let's see. Hey. Oh, and like with every Loot Crate, every month, it comes with a pin of what the theme is. So here's this month's pin. See that? That's pretty cool. We got Batman on there, Captain America, Mega Man, and oh, we got Rocket Raccoon on there too. Pretty cool. Okay. The main thing in here, I want to save it for last, because it's cool. Oh, this is cool. We got a figurine of Donatello. Say, ooze action, glow in the dark figurine. Cool. Probably put that on display somewhere. That's pretty neat. Let's see. What we got here? We have. Oh, If you're a Deadpool fan like me, you'll know what this is. It's a magnet, but it's a chimichangas magnet. Yes, as we all know, Deadpool loves chimichangas. Well, that'll be going on the filing cabinet next to last month's magnet, which was a Bowser magnet. Very cool. What's this? This is an exclusive. Like 3 different kinds of online stuff. As you can see on the back, you got 3 different codes. So I might check it out. I don't know. Or if you're a Doctor Who fan, one of them is a Doctor Who digital thing. So that's pretty neat. Then, like with all the loot crates, you get your little bonus magazine with all interesting stuff. Interesting stuff in here. All kinds of stuff. And then you go to the back, it shows you what you get in your loot crates. Info about the mega crate, which I would love to win. But anyway. So that's cool. And now that's everything. Alright. The last part of the crate. This month's big thing. Last month was a t-shirt. This month comes with a Funko Pop Vinyl figure. And I was the lucky one to get a glow-in-the-dark Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. Very neat. This is my first Funko figurine, so very neat. I look to try and collect more of these because they're awesome. I know when usually if you go to certain cons and stuff, they actually have exclusive Funko character like figurines. So I'd like to look out for that. And since I'm going to be at Fan Expo in Toronto at the end of the month, I know they're doing I think it's an exclusive Stan Lee one. Stan Lee's going to be there, so I look forward to that. And oh yeah, last month the villain themed loot crate. What was cool about it was the inside of the box, the artwork and everything. It was really cool because you take, let's say, a standard loot crate, and the inside will show proper way to do an unboxing, or there's some writing inside. It says share with friends. Well, since the theme was villains, so a lot of that stuff was like crossed out, and there's like it looked like it was crossed out with marker, and there was a little cartoony pictures of like the Joker and Harley Quinn and everything, and it was really cool. Well, for this month, for being heroes, the inside of the box is done up again, but this time, take a look. It's very, get that in there. It's very Ninja Turtle-esque, which I think is really neat. I like that. It's really cool. I like they do stuff like that. or they do stuff like that, I mean. So that was my August loot box, loot crate, I mean unboxing. So put all this stuff back in here nice and neat. Okay, glasses in there. Okay, I just want to close properly. Ah, there we go. Well, for some reason, I know a lot of people have the same problem. Sometimes when you go to put stuff back, it never seems to go the way it came. Okay, good enough. Anyway, so that was my unboxing for August. So I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I'll try this week to maybe do a review video. I know I have a whole stack of comics to go through, like still read and everything. So I'll and these are from like last week, week before, and everything. So what I'll do is maybe I'll go through them, and even though they're last week's or whatever, I'll go through them. I'll read a couple, and if anyone's interested, I'll do a review video on one or two of them. So stay tuned for that, and until next time, see ya.